Hello guys, welcome back to Ford Mustang. I know since the last time we posted, not that video that we did last time where the Mustang was very filthy. Oh, talking about that, we just cleaned the Mustang and it's very good looking now. And I'm just saying one thing, that in our thing, the Mustang is very clean now. It's gonna look brand new, maybe, if you think it will be. It's not dry yet because we just finished not too long ago. My dad's still working on it. You can go say hi to him. Dad, let the viewers say hi to you. All the viewers and the subscribers and the likers. I don't know. Remember to like and subscribe. Come on, Dad. Say hi.
Oh, yeah. Hey, how you guys doing?
Yeah, it's been a long time.
A long time, but we're trying to do a little bit more to get her going.
Show you guys the inside right now, not the outside yet. You can see the inside's all
Dirty and
kind of dirty. You can see the back seats, which you have to climb into, and there's spiders, webs, and there's the front seats here. And now for the big reveal, big reveal to show you guys how clean the Mustang is. We're not going to cue in any music, but we are going to show you. See. Oh yeah, you can see that. The Mustang is so clean. So clean and clean. And we also put bricks down here. I think I already showed you guys that. Keep looking here on the roof. You can see it's very clean. And keep looking. My dad's just getting the polishes off. See here, windows. See, very clean, very clean. And we're back to where we are. We might not post in a while, because we might not. And, yeah, that's probably not, we might not post in a while. We might post a lot of these videos, but one thing at a time. Like and subscribe. Goodbye, Ford Mustang. And remember to watch this.